Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Get a notification every time I upload a video. I'm Danny and today's video is going to be on the Target beauty box. This is the December beauty box from Target. It is $7 and you only can buy them online. It is free shipping for the box. I think it's free 2-day shipping as well. But this is actually a box. I did take the plastic off. It does come in plastic. It used to be like a flip box, like the regular subscription box, but since the last time I got it, I see that they changed the box. I got it earlier in the year. I see they changed the type of box, which is very cute. It's very sturdy, and so after you're done with this box, you can use it for something else, like storage, maybe crafts or something like that. But yeah, so this is the December version. It's not all Christmassy, but it is a cute box. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys what's in the inside. So it comes prepared like this, which is weird because I don't remember having paper like this last time I got it, because last time I got it I bought it inside the store and it was still packaged like in plastic, but it didn't have like paper and all that stuff in there. So I guess they're upping their box game. But on the back, it tells you all the items that's there. I'm covering it up because it does give you a $3 off coupon, and you can use that code online or inside the store. And I don't want you guys to steal my code. But it tells you everything that comes in the inside. And it says slay all day. Just the season of holiday parties, family events, festive nights. But celebrating style can be tough with a busy calendar. Our present to you. All the fabulous products you need to help slay all day. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size selections at target.com/beautybox. Like what you try. We want to hear more. We want to like what you try. We want to see what you got, what you loved, and how you styled it. Tag us at Target Beauty or Target Beauty Box. Sorry, that was a mouthful. And the coupon is good for $15 or more on cosmetics, skincare, and hair care. And expires December 31st, so you only get to the end of the year to use it. So I guess each month the coupon is expired of the month that it came out in. So by using the $3 off, basically the box is like almost practically free. So I'm just gonna take the stuff out. Okay, so it doesn't give you the prices of anything of the full size samples that we have in here, so I'm just going to pull everything out. Okay, so we have the Ren Pure Biotin Plus Collagen Thickening and Strengthening Shampoo and Conditioner, 3.4 fluid ounces, which is great for travel. And I did try the Ren Pure brand before years ago, but it didn't have like collagen and everything else in it. And it's also plant-based, it says. It says 0 dyes, sulfates, parabens. So if you really like into natural hair care and stuff like that. No propylene glycol, which is alcohol. No phthalates, formula, dehyde dye. I don't know what that is. But if you're really into like health stuff or natural beauty stuff, I guess this is it. And it is folded all the way to the top, and I'm glad they have this on here to prevent it from spilling in the box. And again, it says the Ren Pure plant-based beauty, 3.4 fluid ounces. Next we have the two-step hair mask from Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula, Step 1 and Step 2. Step 1 restores shine. Deep condition. Step 2 seals cuticle. I feel like it's enough for just one use. I bought the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Hair Mask before, but I still never tried it, so it was only like $1 and something. And it's really thick, because I think you have to have it on your hair for like 20 minutes. And again, there's no sulfates, parabens, phthalates, mineral oils, gluten, or dyes. They put gluten in like hair product stuff. I never knew that. And it comes with vitamin E. And each packet is 0.5 fluid ounces. Next we have this Biore Deep Cleansing Charcoal Pore Strips. There's only one nose strip, so unclogged pores, draws out excess oil for deep cleansing. There's only one strip in here, so. Next we have this Good Chemistry by Magnolia Violet. Looks like it's a perfume sample. Smells pretty good. It doesn't have the little spray perfume thing though that I've got in sample before. It's a little dropper. So that's a bummer. So yeah, this is how it looks. And it's clear. Next we have this Lumne Nordic Moisturizer. It's a very small sample. It's sealed so I can't smell it. But it seems to be full in here. So you can get a few uses out of it. I have to read what it's about. So. And lastly, we have this Mixed Chick Coil Kink and Curl Styling Cream. Conditions, retain moistures, promote growth, and has definition and wash and go finger styling. Revitalizes, blah blah blah. So 2 fluid ounces. The Mixed Chick is a kind of expensive brand. And I think it was created by 2 sisters who was actually mixed. I can't smell it either because it's sealed. So let's go back over them. Mixed Chicks Styling Cream, Biore Nose Strip, Lumine Nordic Revitalizing Moisturizer. Oh my gosh, it's a mouthful. Coconut Hair Mask from Palmer's. It's Good Chemistry Perfume Sample. Ren Pure Biotin and Collagen Shampoo and Conditioners. These are all the items. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items in this December box. I'm pretty excited to try them out. So this little oil thing, Lumine Nordic Sea Glow. Blend of sea technology work like a magnet to safely lift dirt and oil from your clogged pores so skin look refreshed and feel purified. So I'll try this, see what it says. I'll come back and do a review on it after I try these items. I think it's worth the shot. Again, this is the December beauty box from Target, Slay All Day. I like the play on words with the sleigh. Since it's Christmas, they put the actual sleigh light for the reindeer. So again, this is the December beauty box from Target, $7, free shipping, and it's only sold online. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, anything, leave it down below. All my social media is down below. Link to all my books are down below. DanniGivesAdvice@gmail.com is my advice column. That link is down below as well. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment. If you tried anything in here, if you like them, just let me know. If you don't, tell me why. Thank you guys for watching.